In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your profile icon on your Safari web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Safari button up in the menu bar, and then go down and select where it says Manage Profiles. And now select your profile on the left side, and then directing your attention over to the right side, you want to select where it says Symbol. You can select a different symbol from the list here. You can also select the three-dot icon next to it, and you can do even more options to pick from, and then just close out of here to save it, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.